अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए पैराग्राफ लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है पैराग्राफ का अ रोड एक्सीडेंट। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक्सीडेंट कॉज अ ग्रेट लॉस टू human life in different horrible shapes. Last summer, I was going to Murray by car with my friends. There was greenery all around. All of us were very happy to enjoying beautiful sceneries. Suddenly, two racing buses crossed our car at high speed. All of us got worried about their safe journey. The drivers were certainly engaging a death race. All of a sudden, a truck emerged at a turn of a same road. The first bus struck against the truck. The second bus also struck behind the first bus. There was a loud bang. The vehicle jammed into each other. The three vehicles began to roll down to slope. Only the cries of the passengers could be heard. We got down the car quickly and ran to the spot. Only pieces of human bodies were lying here and there. Most of the passengers had died. A few were alive, but they were not in their senses. We called the police on 15. After some time, the police arrived there. First took the injured people to hospital. Later on, dead bodies were gathered. We moved ahead with a heavy heart. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आए तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।